It's your girl, Denise Joy. Welcome to another episode of Transformation for Your Home. Whether it's DIY or professional help, you can make your home a destination you'll love. Hey, good people. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Denise Joy, designer at the Furaha Method of Joyful Design. By the way, Furaha means joyful in Swahili. I'm thrilled that you're joining me today. When you get a chance, please hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps with the algorithms, and it helps me to reach women all over the globe. In this video, I'm sharing a small bathroom gut and remodel. This 1925 bungalow has a small bathroom and every square inch counts. This bathroom had a couple of issues. One, move the toilet from the sightline of the doorway. Not a great look. The first thing you see when you look in the room is the toilet. Number two, I wanted a walk-in shower. The vintage tub was not a clawfoot, and since I preferred a walk-in shower, I had the tub removed. So those two things became the priority for my design. First thing first in a gut job is the demo. Demo can be lots of fun, but be sure to wear your safety features, goggles, gloves, and good shoes. Tucked away underneath the vinyl tile, I discovered the original 1925 bathroom floor. Unfortunately, it was patchwork, so there was not enough tile to salvage it. The area under the old tub had to be torn out. It was all cracked up. New floor joists had to be installed, and we had a smooth floor to get started with the remodel. In order to fit a walk-in shower in this small bathroom, I actually had to steal 24 inches of closet space from a bedroom on the other side of the wall. But I didn't leave that bedroom hanging. I added an armoire for modern vintage classic storage. After the plumber rerouted the pipes to their new position to accommodate my dope design, it was time to build some walls. Once the walls are up and the plumbing is done, the insulation can go in and the custom cement shower floor is poured. Now we're on track and moving forward to my favorite time when we have a living-in bathroom remodel. Every homeowner is happy when this moment comes. The installation of the toilet. Heading somewhere to use the facilities is no fun. For the color scheme, I chose a light, airy gray for the shower surround and the floors. The shower floor is Paradise Arrow in gray by Porcelanosa. I decided to splurge a little bit, got a couple of extra sheets of the Paradise Arrow, and ran a feature stripe up the wall of the shower and included it in the shower nook. The wall paint is a bold, saturated color, and I'll share that in just a moment. The tile color palette accomplished my design goal of having the bathroom feel like a spa. This absolutely luscious wall color is Space Black by Behr. I fell in love with the contrast of the rich, moody paint and the light, airy tile. Once the vanity, the sink, the brushed nickel hardware, the custom mirror, and the overhead vanity light are installed, we are in the home stretch. This remodel took a total of 6 weeks to complete. I also remodeled the kitchen at the same time. Design hack: I was able to save a little by using the same granite from the kitchen in the bathroom. And finally, we've got the last piece of the puzzle, the glass shower doors installed. Although I absolutely loved the space black wall color, I ended up wanting something with more of an Afro Boho vibe. So, off to the paint store I went. Over a single weekend, I repainted 3 of the walls, did a little bit of stenciling, and ended up with this fabulous, unique look. Now this bathroom is a real showpiece in this home. Please let me know in the comment section, what room would you like for me to make over next? If you enjoy HGTV style shows, be sure to check out my show, DIY Duo Redesign, here on my channel. It's full of custom on a budget wow factor. The link to the show is in the description box below. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget, hit the like and the subscribe button. It helps me reach women all over the globe. I'll see you in the next video.